3D printing is continuously expanding, and now we're starting to see it expand into education. We're realizing what it could do for children, and some startups are working to introduce children to 3D printers to prepare them for future careers. Savvy Society, a startup in San Francisco, has thought of a way to reach out to young women. They're introducing them to STEM, science, technology, engineering and math, and 3D printing by focusing on creativity and fashion with customizable shoes with 3D printed accessories. Fleischman and Lauren Wallace, two graduates from Boston College, developed the idea to help girls get a head start in STEM. They developed an online education platform that exposes girls to STEM and 3D printing. Through a partnership with Autodesk, girls can use TinkerCad software for free, while the Savvy Society provides YouTube tutorials to help teach the basics of 3D printing. This will help girls develop CAD skills and have a future with 3D printing companies like 3dshoes.com. Right now Savvy Society has a pop-up shop in San Francisco, where girls can design and create 3D printed accessories they can wear. They can also submit designs to the Savvy Society website, with 3 designs having a chance for production each month. For now 3D printing is just a medium for getting kids excited for STEM, for which they can choose a number of other tools. With 3D printing reaching more and more sectors of industry, a basic understanding of 3D printing will give kids a head start over the rest of their generation.